Hi guys, here's a video for how to submit your learner profile cards. So when you are in the assignment, you're going to click on the learner profile card and it is going to bring you to this Google Draw document that is in my Google Drive. For you, it's going to be view only, so you won't be able at this point to click and edit it at all. What you need to do is you need to go up to File, make a copy, and then just put in your name here. So your name, oops, learner profile card, and you can choose wherever you want it to go. I'm just sending it to my drive. Click OK. So then it's going to open up the copy that you just made. So you can see that it's your copy because you changed it to your name here and learner profile cards. And now this is a Google Draw document that is in your Google Docs. You have, you own it, you have full rights to it. So you can click and you can put in any of your information. So you're going to put in your name, where would you like to ideally teach, grade you would prefer to teach. You can put in your academics, multiple intelligences. Don't spend a ton of time trying to make this perfect. You can see there's some guides here that you can zoom in on, and over here, if this takes you more than 10 minutes, you're thinking too hard. Okay, so once you complete this, you are going to get a shareable link. So right now it's private only to me. What I want you to do is I want you to click on this share button. If you are in your iOS Google Suite, then there's going to be, it's going to look a little bit different. Like it'll say stuff like anyone with an IU address can view, can share, whatever. So just know that it's same, it's just a little bit different. So here I'm going to click anyone can view it. For me, if you could, when you turn stuff in, at least do anyone with the link can comment so that I can make comments on your documents. So click anyone with the link can comment. You're going to copy the link, okay? And then you're going to go back here, and where it says submit, it should pop up where you can submit a website URL. You're just going to click on that. I'm just going to hit edit here for a minute so that I can show you what's going to copy over. Okay, so what you paste is going to look like this. And the reason I want to show you is because at the end here it says sharing, and that's how you know it's a shared document. Okay, so if I were to enter this in, just copying the link, opening a new tab here, pasting, and here you can see it brought me back to this document. So that's how I will see what you are sharing with me. So if you get stuck or you have any other questions, you can email me, or you can use Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts, let me just show you real quick. It looks like this. If you go up to your little Rubik's Cube, hopefully you have a Hangouts option here, and you can just put in my email, scunnin@iu.edu. And this is my personal account, but I have my scunnin account right here too. And it's just like a text message. I can see it, and I can get right back to you immediately if I have my phone or if I'm on my computer. So hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please feel free to comment or to contact me, ask anything you need. Good luck. Thanks so much.